Hey guys, it's Gene from Sterngold. Today we're going to talk about the TRU and PUR surgical kit. Let's get to it. All designed around one surgical kit. Sterngold's TRU and PUR implant should be your implant of choice for single tooth restoration and removable overdentures, as well as full mouth rehabilitation. Engineered and manufactured under the strictest quality control processes at Sterngold Dental's U.S. manufacturing facility in Massachusetts. TRU and PUR implants are an affordable option offering popular bone-level, conical, and tapered screw vent internal hex designs. Two restorative platforms with one implant body featuring an aggressive self-tapping, double lead thread pattern design with microthreads, ideal for achieving primary stability and SGE surface treatment for optimal osseointegration. But even more impressive is that Sterngold's TRU and PUR implant system conveniently provides these two popular and highly effective restorative platforms with one enhanced and complete surgical kit. Included in a fully sterilizable cassette are the lance drill, a 2mm pilot drill accompanied by a graduated Lindemann drill, and 2mm paralleling pins. The final surgical drills are marked with non-reflective graduated depth indicator marks from 6 to 16 mm. For dense bone, a complete set of dense and crestal bone drills are provided, as well as a full set of osteotomy taps. As a non-mounted system, long and short ratchet drivers are included, as well as corresponding latch drivers. For narrow interproximal spaces, a latch driver drill extender is included. For attaching cover screws, healing, or final abutments, both latch and ratchet .050 hex drivers are included in the kit as well. Finally, a thumb knob attachment for the drivers and the Sterngold graduated torque wrench. One kit for two restorative systems, all at a fraction of the price of other major implant manufacturers. The Sterngold TRU and PUR surgical kit. Call Sterngold Dental today.